So you want to learn the tricks to thicken and widen your vocals, huh? Well, you came to the right place. In this video, I'll show you the only methods you'll ever need to naturally or artificially double your vocals, and in the end, you get a free plugin to speed up your doubling workflow. Here's an example.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double.
Hey, I'm Thales, pop music producer, and first of all, for doubling vocals, don't just duplicate the track because that's just going to make your vocals louder. It's not going to have that effect of sounding massive. The most basic way of doubling vocals is by creating a small time difference between one track and its copy, up to 30 milliseconds difference. And it's even better if there's a tiny pitch difference too. That can be achieved with the simple delay plugin. Here's an example where the right signal is delayed by 20 milliseconds and the left signal is delayed by 10 milliseconds. When the mix knob is not 100%, we're keeping some of the dry unaffected signal in the center. This delay also features modulation, and that gives us the pitch difference.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double.
That's called artificial doubling. Of all the methods you learned today, it sounds the most unnatural and phasey. You can also achieve similar results with a phaser effect, a chorus, and a flanger. Now there's also natural doubling, which is what most pop music producers use to make singers sound bigger than life. In short, you just record the same section more than once, then you layer those recordings together. Since two recordings of a singer will never sound exactly the same, the variation in timing and pitch creates this thickening effect. If you put two layers in the center, it sounds like this.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double.
It thickens the vocals, hides some imperfections of each take, but it doesn't make it wide. Now, if you keep the main vocal take in the center, but you pan another to the left side and another to the right side, it sounds like this.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl.
This is how you create the huge pop song chorus effect. You can mix and match these tricks in different sections of your song for contrast. Hey, before I show you the other tricks to make your vocal production sound more professional, can you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video? Alright, if you make lots of edits to your vocal takes and tune them and fix the timing too much, all the takes are going to sound very similar and the doubling effect is going to be less noticeable. Which you may want or not, it's a stylistic choice. And for an even bigger wallet sound chorus, you can layer different harmonies along with the doubles. In this example, I have the main vocal in the center, two natural doubling layers panned left and right, besides two different harmonies panned left, right, and center, so in total 9 layers of different recordings.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl.
Now that's a chorus. If for some reason you can't record doubles, you need to do it artificially, there's this awesome free plugin that gets the job done. It's the Vocal Doubler by Izotope, and the download link is in the description below. It couldn't be any easier to use this thing. Just select how wide you want the effect to be.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double.
And how much variation in pitch and timing you want. So this knob makes it more phasey and noticeable if that's what you're going for.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl.
There's also the amount knob, so you can choose how much of the effect you want to mix with the dry signal.
Oh girl, you look like trouble. Oh girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh girl.
And the effect only button completely mutes the original signal and keeps only the doubling effect. Very useful if you want to use this plugin on a return track.
Oh, girl, you look like trouble. Oh, girl, I'm about to make it double. Oh, girl.
I also use that a lot for sound design with synthesizers and even guitar processing. Hey, there's another tutorial I think you'd be interested in. How about a video on creating a flutter vocal effect like Billie Eilish? That's a really cool effect for your next song. I'll make it pop on your screen in a second. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for hanging out. I'm Thales and we'll talk soon.